And yeah, and this year I really want to make something cute for Valentine's Day. So I got these candy canes in pink and white, and I filled them with chocolate and put sprinkles and a bow, and I think they came out so pretty. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And this is how I did it. I have a mixture of sprinkles for decoration. I have wooden skewers and ribbon with tiny red hearts on it. I cut up half of this slab of white chocolate and I put it in a bowl. I placed the bowl with cut up chocolate over a bowl filled with water in order for the chocolate to melt at a slow pace. The candy canes were a bit too long, so I cut it down a bit. So all I did for cutting it down is that I measured it with one that I had cut down, and I just made an indentation on it. And where that indentation was, I just snapped the candy cane off, same size as the rest, and it could form a perfect heart shape. I repeated the process for the rest of the candy canes. I placed the candy canes in a heart formation on a baking tray lined with baking paper, and I placed a skewer at the base of the heart shaped, and then I just scooped in melted white chocolate and decorated with multicolored sprinkles. Once I had decorated my hearts, I let them set up in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Once the heart shapes were filled with chocolate and had sprinkles on them, I decorated the wooden skewers with the cut up ribbon, and I made a tiny little bow, and I just curled the ends of the ribbon with the back of a knife. And I repeated this process for the rest of the candy canes. this is how it came out. I'm so happy with it. It just looks stunning. I'm so happy with it. And please, if you make this, please send me pictures. I'd love to see them. So for this Valentine's Day, I'm going to be giving these to my friends, and I really hope they like them. I think they look stunning.